Do you want to learn how to create engaging Instagram Reels using existing footage while also discovering how to make that entire process significantly faster using an AI tool like Vizard? I am going to walk you through a simple, real-world workflow from start to finish, show you some handy editing tricks inside the Instagram app, and demonstrate how Vizard can save you massive amounts of time. Hi, I am Michelle, a marketing strategist who is honestly a bit obsessed with finding growth hacks for creators. Let's be real, Reels are the fastest way to get noticed on Instagram right now, but editing them manually often feels like working a second job. So let's build a reel together using footage I shot this morning, and I will show you both the manual method and a much smarter workflow. First, open Instagram, tap the plus icon at the bottom, select Reel, and choose your favorite clips from your phone's gallery. Instagram will often suggest audio at the top, and this feature is fantastic for automatically syncing your clips to the beat of the music. Now for the trimming phase, swipe up to Edit, where you will see all your selected clips stacked neatly on the timeline. Many clips are longer than they need to be, so do not be afraid to tap a clip, split it, and drag the edges to shorten them. This split feature is perfect for cutting out those awkward few seconds at the start of a shot so your reel stays tight and punchy. I personally cut my own sequence down to about 19 seconds because I have found that shorter, high-energy reels perform much better. Rearranging your clips is super easy. Just hold one down until it lifts up, then drag it into the new position that tells a better story. Next, tap to add text, type your hook, and use the color dropper tool to perfectly match a shade from your video. You can tap the sparkle icon to change your text style to something outlined or boxed to make it really pop off the screen. When the text box appears in the timeline, simply drag the edges of the purple bars to control exactly when it appears and how long it stays. Stickers are also a fun way to add personality, so search for something that fits the mood and place it directly over your clip. If you want to add a voiceover, hit the record button, then adjust your audio settings to ensure your narration isn't drowned out by the background music. Once you are happy, tap Next and choose a cover image that highlights your hook so people scanning their feeds get the gist immediately. Add your caption, tag relevant people, use a poll for engagement, and hit share to publish your creation to the world. That manual flow is great for occasional posts, but if you are repurposing webinars or podcasts, editing in-app becomes a massive time suck. This is where Vizard comes in, an AI-first tool that automatically edits your long-form videos into ready-to-post clips. You simply upload your full file and the AI identifies the most punchy, viral-worthy moments where the pacing changes or the content hits an emotional note. Instead of spending an hour scrubbing through footage, Vizard provides you with dozens of candidate clips in just a few minutes. While other tools like CapCut are great for manual effects or Descript is good for word-level control, Vizard sits in the sweet spot for content repurposing. Vizard not only creates the clips for you, but it also helps you batch produce content and schedule everything for automatic publishing. After you get your stack of clips, you can choose the best ones, add captions, or do a quick polish either in Vizard or back inside Instagram. The auto schedule feature is a total game changer, allowing you to set a posting cadence once and letting the tool handle the rest. The content calendar is arguably the most underrated feature as it lets you plan your entire posting order and coordinate captions in one place. It effectively kills the chaos of scattered drafts, messy links, and endless spreadsheets that usually clutter your workspace. When you bring your Vizard clips back into Instagram, simply add those final creative touches like text overlays or engaging polls to maximize your impact. Remember these pro tips. Keep your reels under 30 seconds for better loop potential and use that color dropper tool for a cleaner look. Always make your voiceover clear against background music and choose cover images with faces to ensure they get more taps. In the end, creating reels should be fun, so use AI to do the heavy lifting for your long-form content and save your creative energy for the final polish. That covers the entire workflow from your phone to AI-assisted editing, so try making your first reel today and see how much time you save. Let me know if you want me to draft up some caption ideas or a 7-day posting plan for the clips you create. I will see you in the next one, and in the meantime, go out there and make something amazing.